BB 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. Back in February, I published a video detailing Emirates' threat to cancel their order for Boeing jets if the United States were to terminate the Open Skies Agreement. Tim Clark, the Emirates boss, actually said if it happens, Emirates will rethink its order for 150 Boeing 777X aircraft. Thankfully for all involved, this never eventuated, and just a few days ago at the IATA Aviation Summit in Sydney, President Tim Clark stated that the first 777X would be delivered to the airline in June of 2020. When asked about where the program was currently, he said it's in good shape and just about where it needs to be. For both Emirates and Boeing, it's good to hear that the order is now more likely to stay intact. In recent months, the GE9X engine has been undergoing testing on a Boeing 747, with the first test flight being completed in March at General Electric's flying test beds in Victorville, California. Pictures of the GE9X engine fitted to the GE 747 test aircraft were shared widely as the sheer size of the GE9X absolutely dwarfed the other engines that were attached. When Clark was asked about the GE9X, he noted the following: "It's going surprisingly good, and the engine is a lot better than most at this stage of its testing program. It's a good story. Again, this is a huge bonus, and exciting that this aircraft and order is all coming together very nicely. As it stands, Emirates will be the largest operator of the Boeing 777X series, with orders for 115 of the longer 777-9X and 35 orders placed for the 777-8X, the shorter of the two, with an increased range." That's going to conclude this video and a little update on the situation with Emirates' order for the Boeing 777X. I didn't want to make an entire video on this, but while we are on the topic of Emirates, Tim Clark also noted that he'd be making a decision on the remaining A380s in the order placed in January very soon. As always, I'd like to thank you very much for your continued support and watching this video of mine. I look forward to you all joining me in the next one.